Welcome to the world of cutting-edge technology, where innovation meets design. Today we delve into the remarkable features of the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, a device that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine a tablet that boasts a Super AMOLED display, rendering vibrant colors and deep blacks. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra does just that with its 12.4-inch display. It's like holding a portable cinema in your hands, bringing your favorite movies and games to life with its stunning visual performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is powered by an Exynos 2200 chipset, a powerhouse that delivers top-tier performance. Whether you're multitasking with multiple apps or playing the latest high-definition games, this tablet ensures smooth and lag-free operation. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra also comes equipped with an impressive 8000 mAh battery, providing long-lasting power for all your needs. You can binge-watch your favorite series, surf the web, or stay connected with friends and family without worrying about running out of juice. But what about storage? Well, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra has that covered too, with up to 1 terabyte of internal storage and the option to expand it further with a micro SD card. You'll never run out of space for your photos, videos, and apps. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra sports a 13-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera. These capture stunning photos and offer clear video calls, so you can always stay connected in style. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra also features quad speakers tuned by AKG, delivering immersive, high-quality audio that complements its stunning visuals. Whether you're watching a movie or listening to your favorite tunes, the audio experience is simply unparalleled. To top it all off, this stellar device comes with the S Pen, Samsung's intuitive stylus. It offers a more natural way to interact with your device and opens up a world of creativity and productivity. In summary, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is a powerhouse of features. It combines a stunning Super AMOLED display, a high-performance chipset, a long-lasting battery, ample storage, a high-quality camera, and immersive audio. And with the S Pen, you're not just getting a tablet, you're getting a versatile tool that can boost your creativity and productivity. So step into the future with the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra and experience a new dimension of technological excellence. VoiceOver. Before we go any further, do you know what would be super cool? If you could smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. You see that little thumbs up icon down there? Go on, give it a tap. It won't bite, we promise. And that red subscribe button, if you click it, it turns grey. It's like magic, but without the need for a wand or a wizard's hat. And who said technology isn't fun? Now here's a quick joke for you. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Alright, enough with the fun and games. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's jump back into the world of the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra.